Many people are facing an issue where WhatsApp keeps crashing on their Android and it suddenly shows this WhatsApp keeps stopping error. So if you're one of them, don't worry, let's see how to fix it. So first of all, what you can do is force quit this app and all the other windows. After that, just press and hold over this app icon and go to Info. Hit force stop and then you have to press OK. And while you are here, you can go to storage and then clear cache of the app. Since stored cache and cookies might cause abrupt app crashing, so if it still keeps stopping, check your device storage. Make sure you have enough space. You can clear up some space if needed, since WhatsApp needs at least 100 to 200 MB storage to run properly. And then just go ahead and give your device a simple restart. In most of the cases, this fixes the problem. If none of this works for you, open the Play Store and check for any pending updates, because an outdated app can block normal app function. Lastly, what you can do is open Settings, then go to Apps and tap over these three dots. Then you have to hit Reset App Preferences, and don't worry, this won't delete any app data, but if any settings were changed, that might be causing the issue. And hopefully after trying all of this process, WhatsApp is now working smoothly for you. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.